Of the conscious movement and the black woman as a queen. Talk about that a little bit, what you bring.
Oh goodness, one thing that can always be counted upon from me is the truth. And the reason why I think I was even invited is because my opinion comes from a place of truth and heart. And so I don't just show up places just to be there. I come to spread a word, and also I come to be affected and inspired. I hope to be able to provide that for all that are in attendance, care about the next generation. So and TNT knows that, which is why I was invited along with everyone else who has, walked this walk before, is to be able to connect with people. And that's what AT&T is about, and always has been, to connect people to one another. So that's my mission, always connect people to one another. So that's my mission, always, not just here, but forever.
Great.
I'm the rookie on the team.
Great.